Hello again, everyone. We're back today to show you how you can use your iPad to measure your ice cube when you're calculating the volume needed to do your tests for your thermos that you have built. If you have a ruler or a tape measure at home, you can just do your measurements with that. You do not need to use your iPad to make the measurements. So I've got the handout up, and then we've got a diagram here that shows you on the right hand side what sides you should use to measure your ice cube to calculate the volume. So the length is going to be the distance across the ice cube. The height is going to be how tall your ice cube is. And the width is going to be the distance from the side of the ice cube that's closest to you to the side that is furthest from you. So to do this, you're going to need to use the measuring tool on your iPad. The measure tool is preloaded on all the iPads, and if you look in the top left corner on my iPad screen here, it says measure. It's got a little picture of a ruler there. I'm going to tap on that to get started, and it's going to open up, and it says move the iPad to start. So as soon as you move your iPad, you're going to get a circle with a dot in the middle of it, and that's what you are going to use to help you line up your points that you're measuring from, that dot. So I'm going to take my ice cube, I'm going to put it onto my table just so I have a darker background so it's easier for me to see the edges. So I line up that dot and I'm going to measure the length of the ice cube first. So that was the distance across. So I line up that white circle, that dot, add plus, slowly drag it across, and hit plus again, and it gives me my measurement, 1 inch. And if you want to take a screenshot of that, you hit the camera button and it will take a screenshot of your measurement. I want to measure the height, so I need to clear the measurement to start a new one and line up the bottom of my ice cube and go to the top. So there we've got a measurement for height, 1 inch. Take a screenshot again if you'd like. Keep a photo of that measurement, and then we need to measure the width of your ice cube, which is going to be the distance from the side closest to you to the side that's furthest away. So I'm going to clear that out to start a new measurement. I am just going to turn my ice cube to measure that side. Line up that dot again. Plus, slowly drag it across, hit plus again, and it gives you your measurement. Take a screenshot if you would like to keep it. Now you're going to go back to your handout and record those numbers into the chart for your ice cube. So I look at my first ice cube is going to be 1 inch on all 3 sides. And that just is based on the shape of my ice cube tray. So if I take length times width times height, 1 times 1 times 1 is going to be 1 square inch. Or you could write it as 1 inch with a 2. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. You'll need to repeat the measurement with your second ice cube, and you'll be ready to go. Have a great day.